Have you ever looked at a sunset or sparkling coastline and thought, I wish I could paint that? Take a moment to imagine waking up in a private 5-star luxury villa in southern Portugal where the only thing on your to-do list is to create. I'm Crystal Beshara, an artist and arts educator, and for over 25 years I've been teaching students all over the world how to paint in watercolor. This is your invitation to learn how to capture light and atmosphere in loose, colorful, and gestural strokes. In my retreats, I teach you how to see like an artist, to create personal travel journal sketches and plein air watercolor paintings. I've spent 25 years teaching artists of all levels. My goal is to help you build confidence through step-by-step lessons using my foolproof method to make this feel easy, restorative, and fun. This is all about connection to yourself, connection to Mother Nature, and connecting and forming bonds with like-minded people. Often in my groups, people create friendships that have lasted a lifetime, and those groups continue to travel with me, which really warms my heart. So that said, there are only a few spots left at this private luxury villa just outside of Lagos. There's a couple of options for you. You can share a room in twin beds, or you can have a king room all to yourself. The early bird discount, however, ends March 1st, so you can save 10% or up to $800 for this trip. So don't delay. There's a few spots left. Feel free to reach out to me with any of your questions. All of the information is in the description box below. I hope to see you in Portugal, spring 2027.